Hello everyone. Today we will be looking at how we can SIP stocks. So you may have heard the term SIP, which is associated mostly with mutual funds, wherein you want to buy a particular mutual fund every periodic intervals. Let us say you want to buy large cap fund every week or every month or every day. Okay, nowadays we have those daily options as well. So similar way we can even create SIPs which will buy the stocks or ETFs at regular intervals. Okay, so we will look at how we can do that. So I have created a basket, but let me delete that first. Okay, so we'll create a new basket. Let us say my first basket. Okay, here I can select the things that I want to buy every month. Okay, so I can choose to buy some good stocks like Reliance. Okay, let us say 10 quantities, and here you want to select market because at that particular time when you are executing this order on a particular date, if the price is a limit price, it will try to look for that price. If it is not around at that price, then it will not be bought. So you have to select market over here. Okay, add. Then select something else, let us say Tata Motors. This is just an example. Okay, so this is Tata Motors, and let us say I want to buy 40 quantity, roughly around 30,000. Okay, then I want to buy gold and silver. So gold B's is one ETF for gold, so I'll say I want to buy 100 quantities of gold B's. Okay, then I want to buy silver. So I'll select silver and say I want to buy 50 quantities of the silver B's ETF. Okay, so that comes to roughly around 50,000. Now depending on the frequency, this 50,000 order will be placed at every periodic intervals. It will keep on changing because on the day of execution the price might be different, and due to that the orders may differ a little bit here and there, or if there are sharp movements, it can even go beyond your expected order size. Okay, so let us say gold shot up around maybe $10-15 or $50, let us say. Then this will change a little bit, 51,000 will become 55,000. Okay, so that way it can happen. Okay, so we will just close this, save this, and then we go to the SIP section. So here you can select which basket you want to execute. Okay, and we will say my first basket SIP. Okay, now I can select the intervals when I want to buy this. Okay, so I can select the first day of the month, the 6th day, then the 12th day, the 18th day, and the 24th day. Okay, so here I have just selected these days. I can even select the times that I want. Okay, now you just create it and it will be executed on the given dates of the month. So today is the 12th of April. So what happens is today is a holiday, so this will be executed tomorrow morning when the market opens. Okay, so similarly for other days as well. So if there is a holiday on that particular day, it will spill over to the next day. Okay, so that is how you can create SIP for stocks and ETFs. So you can divide your salary into 4 or 5 parts, and then you can just create this SIP which will execute on periodic intervals. If you want to do a daily SIP, you can even create a new schedule and say my first SIP 2. Okay, here I will select some different dates. Let us say rather than 6th, I will say 9th. Rather than 12th, I will say 15th. Rather than 18th, I will say 21. And then 28th. Where is that? 28th, and then maybe 3rd. Okay, so I have offset it by 3 days. So now it will execute 2 times a week. Okay, And for this you do not need any margin. It will be executed if the funds are there in your account, then it will be executed. Otherwise it will just fail. It will just say the order is cancelled because there are not enough funds in your account. Okay, so you can create similarly you can create 5 such schedules, okay, which will roughly cover 25 days, which is more than enough. So we have around 22 working days in a month plus some holidays, right? So based on that it will happen. Now let us assume that the 2 SIPs are on let us say Saturday and Sunday, suppose. Now both did not execute on Saturday and Sunday, and then on Monday also you have one SIP, then all the 3 will be executed together in that case. Okay, so the holiday SIPs will be spilled over to the next working day, so that can happen, so be mindful of that. So this is how you can create SIP for stocks or ETFs or any other things that you want. Okay, so you can select any of the ETFs here. We have a lot of ETFs like mid cap, small cap. You can even select bonds, right? So there are some bonds as well that you can buy, bonds, ETFs as well. So you can segregate your investment into 3 parts like equity, bonds and precious metals. So that way you can create a balanced portfolio and you can keep on buying those things every periodic intervals. Okay, so that is it for today. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.